Hi guys and girls, welcome to the channel, welcome to The Real Love Survival. I've got a nice video for you guys today. I'm a little bit excited actually, because this is a unboxing video. I've just got myself another BK2 original from a company called Tools and Knives in the Netherlands, and this is actually the second one they've sent me. I returned the first one because the handles were slightly out. This is a BK2 copy from AliExpress. Got the BK9 here, original. I also bought this from Tools and Knives. Fantastic bit of kit, BK9. I probably will do another video on it as well. These knives are iconic. If you go on YouTube, you see loads of videos about them. There's some people love them, some people hate them. For me, I actually like the knife very much, so I'm on the sort of love end of the people out there. I think it's a fantastic tool, 1/4 inch thick BK2 lifetime tool basically. So anyway, I've got my little knife here. Let me just start undoing the box and get it out of the box. Let me just push them two up there a little bit. Let's see what we've got to do here. Okay, another bit of tape there in the middle. Let's just lift that up. Should be just fine. Here we go. What have we got here then? Okay, obviously some paperwork, probably receipts and stuff like that. And we got the box. I'm going to keep these boxes. I really do like the packaging. Here's the packaging for the BK2. Let me just get it out of the box quickly. I'm really happy to get another one. I was a bit upset with the first one. Yeah, perfect. You see, the handles on the one that I got from Tools and Knives, on the right side, the handle, you could feel it, but here it's set back. Lovely. Both sides set back. Look at that. BK2 original. Of course, it's got a different coating. Let me just show you the BK9. Lovely bit of kit. Like I said, I keep the boxes. There we go. I think that's quite thick as well. I'm not sure if it's quite as thick as the BK2, but it's still a thick knife, the BK9. So the coating on here, as you can see, it's slightly different coating than the BK2. Now the BK2 did have the same coating before. I did have one of these several years back, original. Again, I bought it from Tools and Knives. Oh, bit of water there. Okay. Yep, so this is the BK9 Kabar, 1/4 inch thick. Fantastic bit of knife. I will do another little review on this after. It's really sharp out of the box, I can tell. Don't mess about with that edge. That's going to go through paper like nobody's business. Yeah, look at that. That's no joke. Let's have another look here. Let's find a little edge. No problem. As you can see, it cuts really sharp out of the box, so be careful there. So yeah, just a short and sweet one. Little bit of an unboxing on the BK2. Let's just double check the sheath. Lovely sheath. Again, let's get the knife. So yeah guys, anybody new out there watching the channel and you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, hit the notification bell and all the good stuff. So here we have the sheath. Fantastic bit of kit. Right, BK2. Let me just slot that in there. Lovely. Fits in there lovely. brand new, a little bit tight. So what you can do, you can just sand down here and here a little bit, and that will go in and out easier. But yeah, there's the original. If you compare it to the fake one, excuse me, the copy, which is this one here on the right, and on the left is the original. There are differences. You can see the rivets on the one on the top are silver, and the one on the bottom, the original, is different colour. The lettering is slightly different as well. And also the differences are, you can see the rivets here don't come through, they're flush. Whereas on the copy, the rivets kind of come through. I don't know what they call them. The little comes through. So that way you can tell. Plus also here, there's a little notch thingy-majib here. Slight different. I'll show you the original. You can see it's actually bigger. You can get a ferro rod in there. You can see the size difference. Compare the two. Yeah, so very happy. Got my. You can feel the difference as well. The copy, and you can see the handles. I was telling you earlier. It's annoying that you can actually feel the edge of the handle, and here it's perfect now. Well done, Tools and Knives, rectifying it. They rectified it quick. Sent it back to them. Well, sorry, they gave me a label first, sorted out the label and packaging, sent it back to them quickly. Amazingly, I got it today. It was supposed to come next week, but I got it today, really quick. Good service by Tools and Knives. So yeah, BK2, number 2, my second one. I sold my first one. Somebody had their eyes on it. And so now I've got another one. I'm very happy about that. Let me just put them both there next to each other so you can see. And I'll come to the end of the video as well now as well. Right, there you go. Original, copy, and the original BK9. Loads of videos on YouTube if you want to find out the total, all the specifics about them, you can do. I was just doing a quick unboxing today. Let me just get this all in shot now. Lovely, fantastic BK2 number 2. So watch this space. I will be doing more videos soon. Like I said, if you want to leave a comment below, hit the notification bell, the thumbs up and all the good stuff. I appreciate you all. If I didn't mention anybody in that video, the last one, I want to thank the ladies out there as well that have been encouraging me as well. Dana, Krista, other ladies and other YouTube channels. All my male friends, girlfriends. Well, you know what I mean, lady friends. God bless you all. Thanks for watching the video. I'll see you on the next one. Take care. God bless. Bye.